Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Robinhood for account and trading approvals step by step clearly. To authenticate with Robinhood for account and trading approvals, begin by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Next, provide your legal name as it appears on your identification documents. Follow this by entering your phone number for verification purposes. Robinhood will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to proceed with the account setup. Now, input your residential address, including city, state, and zip code. You will also need to provide your date of birth to verify your identity. Robinhood requires your social security number for tax purposes, so enter it when prompted. After this, review the terms and conditions, then agree to proceed. Robinhood may request additional information for compliance checks. Once your information is submitted, wait for confirmation from Robinhood regarding your account approval. Once approved, log back into the app using your credentials. Navigate to the Account tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, access the Investing section to begin verifying your trading features. Ensure that any necessary documents for trading approvals are uploaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any additional identity verification if required. Once everything is verified, you will receive a notification confirming your trading permissions. At this point, you can fund your account using linked bank accounts. After your account is funded, you are ready to start trading on Robinhood. Keep the app updated for the latest features and security measures. Your account is now fully authenticated for trading and investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.